boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's five-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. My friends, thank you very, very much. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. Good night to you, my friends. Wherever you are in this beautiful world of ours, it was a rough week. It was a rough week, guys. Make no mistake about it. Grandma stock market took us out to the woods and kind of beat us down a little bit. I mean, some of our stocks, there's some value out there though, guys. There's some value out there. So keep your eyes and ears open. We'll talk about it here in a second. You know, the Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. My friends, I'm an author, I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white. You can find my books on Amazon.com under Mickey D-E-E. Yes, when you have bear markets and stocks start going down, book sales suffer. That's one of the outcomes of everything, my friends. But we'll see. The business is not good. But anyway, we'll talk about that at another time. Right now, we just want to kind of digest this beat down this week. I mean, guys, let's do a little updates here, guys. We're beaten up. You guys know, Bitcoin, cryptos. You know, we got shellacked. You know, Bitcoin right now is down. We've told everybody that we're going to revisit Bitcoin at when it fills that gap at like 25, right? So everybody's clear on that. I know because guys from Telegraph and all that, they start hitting me every time I talk about Bitcoin. So I won't put it in the thumbnail. I'll just put updates or something because everybody, you know, they just use that and they just hit Bitcoin. But you know it's going down, and we've known it's going down. But when we bounce back, we're going to be in great shape because two of our baby knockouts now are on the NASDAQ exchange. I'm talking about High Blockchain. I'm talking about HUT8. So we'll be able to ride them up when we go back down, which we're going back down, guys, to fill these gaps, and we're coming right back up one day. It could be a minute. It could be. I'm just saying that's the way the stock market is. But my friends, what about gold was up? What about silver? Silver was down a little. Gold was up over 1%. Silver was down about 1%. So they're up and down. Over 1,800 for gold close the week, and silver a little over $26 an ounce. But we'll see, guys. We'll see how that trade goes. But our cannabis trade, we took a beating, guys. I'm going to tell you, our Mexico cannabis trade is taking a beating, just like all the cannabis stocks are taking a beat. Sure, they came out with something in Washington, but it's not doing what we thought it was going to do, man. Shermer came out and it was talking about things, the majority leader there, and it just, the guys came out and it was just flat, guys. It was just flat. We have our Mexico cannabis trade. It's pretty attractive, guys. Pretty value prices. You look at Chiron Lifestyle, 22 cents USD, guys. You look at a blueberry, 8 cents USD. You look at Pharmacilo, 90 cents. Make you think, right? Guys, these stocks are going down. We just wait. Just wait and be ready to pounce if you're not in already. See, a lot of us are in, excuse me. A lot of us are in at a lot of us are in at much lower prices even than they are right now, even though they're going down to really, really attractive levels, guys, with the cannabis. A lot of these cannabis are under their 200-day moving averages. They're not doing the best, guys. I looked at my True Leave. I looked at my Green Thumb. I looked at some of the other MSOs in America, and they were just, down. So there's not a big rush right now to, and I told you before, we have a long way to go with these are buy and holds for moi, not for you. You may trade in and out of a lot of these stocks. These are buy and holds for me. Guys, let's segue, guys, over to uranium here. Uranium, guys, is the price of uranium holding its own here, 32, 40, 32.50 a pound in there, which is, it's good. It's holding its own. Of course, prices have to double for a lot of these companies to go into production, but that's another story for another day, guys. Guys, this is shaping up to me, and I've been in, this is my third uranium bull market, guys. This is shaping up to me like 2004 in that big uranium bull market where we peaked out at 2007. Now, in 2004, what happened is some of the hedge funds and all that, the funds and stuff, they started buying uranium just like they're doing now. It's just like they started this year. Some of the companies, some of the developers and stuff started, because they want to be producers and they want to have that stuff there and they want to be able to negotiate and do whatever. The same thing happened in 2004. And what happened by the end of the year, the stock prices were up, up considerably, a little bit. Chemical maybe was 5 or 6, and it was like 15 or almost 20 at the end of the year, something like that. Some of the other stocks, they just went up, at 2004. In 2005, and everybody started getting involved. In 2006, was the big, big June. And in 2007, we peaked out at almost 140. So it's reminding me so much. I know I've said this before, guys, 2004. You've heard me say it quite a few times, and I'm going to harp on it because that was the real first leg up. And I believe that we'll have our first real boost up after. In 2004, we had the same thing. We went up a little bit and then came down, just like now. We got ahead of ourselves, then came down, and then we took another leg up. And that's what this market does. I told you before, guys, when I picked up Denison Mines early 2005 or 6 or something like that, whatever. It went up and it peaked out as a teenager for me at over $13. Now, that's when I sold it. I think it peaked out at over $16 or something like that. But that's when I sold it at like 13 when it became a teenager. And I'm going to do the same thing, hopefully, again. It become a teenager, and I'll go ahead and sell again because we're in early. These baby knockouts, we get them at like under 25 cents and below. Another that's right now at $1. I think there's still some value there because they did get a piece of that deal that with UEX. They're going to split that deal. And UEX at roughly 24 cents USD, Denison at $1 roughly 99 cents. I believe those two offer some value, my friends. They may go down. There's going to maybe a flush this week. We don't know. There's a flush. We'll see. But also Western Uranium and Vanadium at under $2 USD. It offers some value. Also, Fission, our tier 1 asset Fission. Uranium, that's a baby knockout. A long time ago, at under a quarter. Remember, it stayed 22 cents like forever. But that stock also at 38 cents USD right now. They're in the Athabasca Basin. It does offer some value also, my friends. So that's one to look at. Along with our African Uranium Super Trade, you that are in the Super Trade, there's a lot of value there, my friends. You can't underestimate it. There's all over the world, there's chaos and what's going on here and there. But my friends, the amount, let's talk about the amount of uranium that some of our African Uranium Super Trade companies have is just massive. Sure, the grades are better, in the Athabasca Basin, but they have little bits. Some of the I'm Chemical, Fission. I'm not talking about Next Gen. I'm talking about some of the. In fact, these companies were just down. This whole week Chemical was down like 8%. Next Gen was down 9%. Energy Fuels was down like 14%. Denison Mines was down like 12% for the week. UEC was down like 12% for the week. And these stocks got creamed, guys. So they are some attractive levels there. And our African Uranium Super, some of those stocks are holding up better than the Athabasca Basin stocks. So it's not, they're just holding up. Don't take anything from that. That doesn't mean they're better companies or they're better to speculate with or so. No, they're just holding up a little better as we go through this pullback right now. And we wait for the knight in shining armor to come rescue Sprott to come rescue the uranium sector. I don't know. We'll see, guys. If it works out like 2004, then they will have a major impact on the market, and we'll see, guys. We'll see how it goes. But those are your major updates, my friends. We're still the stock market. Our areas are going downhill right now. We're in a pullback. Like I said, we've been looking for some value in uranium, look for some value in gold and silver. Guys, look for some value in the cannabis sector, guys, and look for some value in our crypto area right now. You know, don't leave no stone unturned, guys, with this stuff. And when we have a flush down day, boom, like this quite wasn't, you know, this week was. If we have we're gonna have a flush down day, and you guys get in it. Terry, oh man, you're not in this trade yet. You tell me you're waiting for this. You may have it this week or two, because I believe after next month and then the following month and the following month after, you know, November. I've told you before November, guys, we're gonna get a little bump and things are gonna happen. So I put my I was talking to a guy today, another trader. I told him, man, I put my reputation on the line that if we don't have a bump in uranium and I moved the date up. I said Thanksgiving. I've moved up to November 1st. If we don't have this bump, then, you know, my credibility is, do I have credibility? Well, I guess I got the books and I got you guys in stocks at Baby Knockouts. So I guess. But anyway, this stock, I'm out on an island, guys. No one's calling. No timing. The timing of this, no one is even going close to the timing that I'm talking about. Guys, I'm talking November. We're going to get at least, I'm guarantee you, at least a $3 to $5 bump. Like maybe overnight or within a day or two, within 48 hours or something. We're going to have a nice little drive up. And if this is like 2004, which is not, 2004 is past, but that performance is not indicative of future performance, my friends. But if it is like 2004, then we're going to have a good time, guys. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. But I don't want to harp too much on that. You don't make investment decisions based on what happened in 2004, just because things are lining up just right now, just like they did in 2004. That doesn't mean that it's going to be that way, my friends. That past performance is no indication of what future. The stock market, guys, we're talking about. You know, sometimes it repeats itself and sometimes it doesn't. Now, like at 60,000 with Bitcoin, we said that it had to go down, and it had to go down to 25 to fill this gap, right? At 25,000. That was up there then. I got a lot of, you know, I don't like to talk about Bitcoin because I know there's some Bitcoin fanatics out there, and they go crazy when I tell them that Bitcoin, like I told them that Bitcoin was going down. They don't want to hear that. So I don't want to say it too many times. But reevaluate at 25,000. That's what we're going to do. All right. And we're going to be dead on these uranium stocks, because when we get this dip, man, I'm betting the farm, guys. Like I said, my reputation is on the line here. Man, I could be out of this business, dude. I will shut down this YouTube channel if I don't get my way. This sounds like the last guy we had in the White House. No hate mail, guys. No hate mail. Things are happening all over the world, you know, but not everybody can get the. But I guess KP Video News was right when they said they had all that information in Russia, and he was bending over for Russia. Never mind, you guys. That's over your head. Never mind, guys. Have a great trading weekend. Love you. Take care of you and your family. God bless the March family in Florida. They suffered a loss, the mother, and God bless you. You guys take care, and our prayers and thoughts are with you in Florida, my friends. Take care, guys. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a great weekend. Yeah, don't take this. This is not investment advice, guys. My story is about 2004 when I was trading and I made a lot of money on uranium. That's because I'm just excited about it because I see it happening again, and I'm loaded up. But you know what? If this thing goes, I'll load up more. There'll be videos, guys. Just go over, do your thing, do your thing. Got videos, links, the whole nine. But the whole nine. We're here. Don't be scared. Don't let them scare you out of these positions. Man, there's been guys, guys have been waiting for this, man. They've been waiting for this pullback in uranium so they can take your shares. Don't sell them, man. Strong hands. Strong, not like Mike Tyson, Buster Douglas. Uppercut. Strong hands, guys. Love you. Videos. Take care.